new AlphaStart template from musegrid.com, it's super easy to start building your client's new website. First, open the AlphaStart template, open the Style Magician Master, drag your client's logo into the logo well area, select the accent color, choose the fill color from the colors palette, double click, grab the color selector, choose your color, click OK, and hey presto, your website is already starting to look like your customer's requirements. Then just go into the master page, drag your logo onto the page, replace the AlphaStart logo, and you're just about ready to start adding your customer's content. How easy was that?